Hello everybody and welcome to A Joyful Clay Tutor. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a sculpture that I broke using Magic Sculpt. So let's get started. So today I'm going to be fixing this thing that I broke, and I'm going to be using part A Magic Sculpt and part B Magic Sculpt. So I'm going to use a teaspoon of the Magic part A and a teaspoon of part B. Nice thing about this two-part resin is it will never dry out unless you mix the two together, because it is a chemical. So now I've already mixed these two together until they're even in color. Even consistency. Now I'm going to take a piece of clay and fill in the cracks. And then I'm going to smooth it out with water. The nice thing about Magic Sculpt is it smooths out with water really nicely. This whole process took me about 25 minutes to get it right, but I'm not going to bore you with the long video. So, the nice thing about Magic Sculpt is it dries rock hard. Make it smooth. The other thing that I like about Magic Sculpt is that you can put it out in the weather and it won't ruin like other air dry clays. So please like my video, because I like to be liked. Another interesting thing about Magic Sculpt is it will cure underwater. I'm going to take my piece and I'm going to stick it in there, and I'm going to prop it up. Here you can see that I smoothed out the clay with my water in my fingers, and I did the same to the back side. And now I'm going to take some paint and paintbrush and a little metallic paint, and I use some black, and it doesn't look too bad. Well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And here I'm going to prop this up so it won't fall down. I'll let that dry overnight and it's fixed.